First of all, if we have 100, we can write it as 10 times 10, which is equal 10 power 2. 1000 can be written also by 10 times 10 times 10 equal 10 power 3. Also 2000 can be written as 2 times 3, 10 power 3. 0.1 is 1 over 10, which is equal 1 times 10 power negative 1. So the standard form of the scientific notation is a times 10 power n, where 1 is less than or equal the absolute value of a, and less than 10, also n belong to z. So the standard form must be in this form: a times 10 power n, where the absolute value of a is greater than or equal 1 and less than 10. Yes. Also n must be belong to z. For example, write the following in the standard form. We have 45 times 10 power 8. So it will be, yes, to make 45 in the form of a, absolute value of a greater than or equal 1 and less than 10, we must put it as, yes, 4.5 times 10. So we must multiply by another 10. So it will be 4.5 times 10 power 8 times another 10, which is equal 4.5 times 10 power 9. Yes, so we add 1 to the power. We add 1 to the power and move from, yes, from right to left. From right to left. At the arrow we have, yes, so we move from right to left and multiply by 10. We multiply only by 1/10, so to add the power 1. So to add 1 to the power. So it will be 8 plus 1. So the last form of this number 45 times 10 power 8 will be 4.5 times 10 power 9. And this is the standard form of this number. Another example, 706.4 times 10 power 5. Also we must put this number in the form of the absolute value of a greater than or equal 1 and less than 10. So we must remove the decimal from this place to put it after 7 by this arrow to have, yes, 7.064 times what? Times 10 power 5 times 10 power 2. Yes, because we move from the right to the left 2 steps, so we add 2 to the power. So it will be 7.46 thousandths times 10 power 5 times 10 power 2, which is equal 7.064 times 10 power 7. And this is the standard form of this example. Now 0.248 times 10 power negative 7. To put this in the standard form of the scientific notation, we must put the absolute value of a greater than or equal 1 less than 10. So to put this number in this form, we must move the decimal, yes, to put it after 2. So we divide by 10. Dividing by 10 means that we multiply by 10 power negative 1. So it will be like that. Yes. 2.48 times 10 power negative 7 times 10 power negative 1, which is equal 2.48 times 10 power negative 8. Another example, 0.4 times 10 power negative 10 Yes, to put it as also the absolute value of a greater than or equal 1 less than 10. So we move the decimal to the right one step, so we divide by 10 also. Dividing by 10 means we multiply by 10 power negative 1, so it will be, yes, 4 times 10 power negative 10 plus negative 1, which is equal negative 11. And this is the standard form of the scientific notation for this example. Now let's have this example. 6.5 times 10 power 4 times 8 power 10 power 2. First we must multiply 10 power 4 times 10 power 2, which is equal 10 power 6. Also we multiply 6.5 times 8, and this will be 52 times 10 power 6. Now 52 is not in the standard form. We must put it as the absolute value of a greater than or equal 1 and less than 10. 52 here is not less than 10, so we must put it as this form. So yes, by moving the decimal to be 5.2, yes, times 10 power 6 times 10 power 1, yes, so it will be 5.2 times 10 power 7.